A warm morning to all my students. This is your EVS teacher Devdeep sir with the explanation of the second part of Story of We, the EVS chapter that we were discussing. So students, last class we all saw that we were discussing about different impacts of wheel on our particular life. You all saw that how wheel was able to transform the lives of us. We learned that how wheel could be an essential medium of transport. So today we are again having a look at how wheel has impacted our life. So without further ado, let's start our class. Children, before going in depth about how wheel was important, I would like all of you to focus on one important thing, and that particular information is regarding that why peoples or even the humans sort of or even thought of discovering about the wheel. It is because I told you in the previous class that people were very tired and lethargic traveling to long distance. They could not travel long distance, okay? They had to walk and walk and walk to travel to a distance. And they used to get tired. And more importantly, they used to carry the loads on their back. So that was very difficult. So that is when the people thought about utilizing animals as a means of transport. Animals such as donkeys, cows, buffaloes, horses were used for transporting objects. But again, that idea was a very good idea, of course, but that also lived very short enough, because the animals could also travel in a limited speed, a very limited speed and a very limited range. After all, they are living things. We all know that living things get tired after a certain time. So, therefore, the men discovered that it is very difficult even to utilize only animals as a means of transport. And at the same time, the transportation was not easy with the help of animals. So one day, when a group of men, or rather early men, were sitting together and discussing what needs to be done, they saw huge logs of wood. I believe all of you know what are logs of wood. I hope you all can see that there are some trees kept over here, and on these trees you can find that there are different logs kept, okay? A branch, or rather a trunk of a tree, okay? That is from where we get the log of the tree, okay? So what did they discover then, children? They discovered that these huge logs of wood were able to roll easily down without any problem. So you can see in the diagram, the early men observed that these logs of wood were rolling down the hill very easily. Later on, they thought that why don't we punch a hole into this log of wood? Okay, we can cut the log of wood in circles, slice it in circle and make pair of wheels like this. They thought about this idea that if we cut the log of wood in a circular round shape, then we can easily make wheel out of it. So that was the idea how wheel was invented. The idea came from a log revolving like this down the hill. That is how they discovered that they could make a vehicle out of it, or even a transportation medium out of it. Okay? Therefore, these wheels were now attached to that of a cart, as you can see on the picture. This early men making pair of wheels for this cart. So which was the first vehicle that was used as transport? Carts were the first vehicles that were used for transport. Okay? Carts were the first vehicles that were used as a means of transport. Now, what were the use of this cars? What advantage? हमें क्या मदद मिलेगी ये कार्ड यूज करके? What extra advantage we will get? A cart could now carry loads, यानी कि वजन उठा सकता है, पैसेंजर को लेके जा सकता है. ओके, it could now carry loads and passenger quite easily. Okay, without any problem. We could carry the passengers from one place to another without any problem at all. Okay? Did you understand? I hope you are not having any doubts still here. Now children, after that, after the idea, I can say that the invention of wheel did not stop. It went on and went on developing in the regard. The invention of wheel triggered a very important thing. What was the important thing that was triggered? The important thing that was triggered was this invention led to the development of modern vehicles, like you can see the merry-go-round, the normal wooden wheel, tanks, bicycle, cars. Okay. Later on, this invention of wheel had a great effect, and the humans started improving the technology time and again. They made wheels made of wood, steel and rubber. Okay. So that is how the discovery of wheel created the concept of vehicle, यानी कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का एक जरिया बना व्हील के इन्वेंशन से. Now, apart from making vehicles, wheels were also used for crafting tools. Crafting tools matlab it was used for making pots. I already shown you the example of spinning wheel that was used for making clothes. Today we will again see another device called potter's wheel. What is a potter's wheel? A potter's wheel is a wheel that shapes a clay. Clay मतलब जो मट्टी जो है वो मट्टी को एक पॉट का आकार देने में मदद करता है. ठीक है? Understood? So we can make pots with the help of the potter's wheel. Now, as I already told you that the invention of wheel had been done in different phases. What were the different phases that we saw? First we saw wheels made of stone. Then it was improved to that of wheels made of logs. The wheels of stone and logs were quite heavy. They were made lighter by making wheels made of just simple wood. To increase more speed, wheels were started to made of wood along with that of rubber coating, so that the wheels could move easily. And finally we have the modern day wheels, which we call tire. Okay, that is the phase of evolution of wheels. and that is how the technology of wheel kept on improving time and time again. And lastly, this is what the potter's wheel is, children. You all can see that the potter is placing the pot right on top of the wheel, and with the help of his hands he is crafting the pot with the speed of the wheel. यहाँ पे दो चीज यहाँ पे काम कर रहा है. देखो, व्हील को एक अच्छा स्पीड पे घूमना पड़ेगा ताकि हम अच्छा आकार दे सके उसे. एंड अनदर इज द क्राफ्टमैनशिप. क्राफ्टमैनशिप यानी कि जो कारीगर का हाथ बहुत ही बखूब होना चाहिए ताकि वो पॉट को अच्छे से बना सके. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? So we have come to an end of today's lesson. I hope you have understood it. I would request after the video ends, please again go through the video. Please rewind the video. इसको फिर से वापस प्ले करो. एक और बार अच्छे से इसको सुनो. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the WhatsApp group of the class. Okay? So this is your EVS teacher Devdeep sir, thanking you all for listening to it nicely, and I hope you have understood today's topic. Please keep studying the chapter and the topics that are taught. Thank you, children.